So welcome to the Thursday edition of the Performance Seminar. As I mentioned already, today we have one performer, and that is Shivani, who is going to announce her name and her piece. All that.
I'm Shivani, and I'm playing Nocturne, Chopin's Nocturne in F minor.
and that was Shivani performing Chopin's Nocturne in F minor, Opus number 55. All right, so I am going to start the poll, so you guys can start filling that out. And if you have any verbal feedback, you can raise your hand, and I'll you speak. The results coming in now. A few minutes to get the poll completed. In the meantime, does anyone have any verbal feedback before I start calling on people? No? Okay. Let's see. How about Bella? Do you have any feedback to give?
Overall, I think that the character of the piece is like pretty jazzy, and the way that you executed it was really nice.
Yeah. And then if you want to get some else, how about Sophie?
Your dynamics are good and your movements are good. Like, yeah, I can't think of anything else.
Yeah, that's fine.
Your performance was really good.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Awesome. So overall pretty positive feedback. And yeah, let's take a look at the poll. I'll give everyone another 10 seconds. Since we have 4 out of 6, we should have 5 out of 6, hopefully, ideally. So give another 10 seconds if you haven't submitted it. Perfect. Awesome. So I'll wrap up the poll. 3, 2, 1. All right. So let me share the results with you. So take a look at it. We have dynamics. In terms of dynamics, we got 4 votes for 4, 1 vote for 5. Yeah, dynamics are pretty good. Not too many issues that I noticed with that. You overall expressed the dynamics very, very nicely. Articulation was 1 vote for 3, 4 votes for 4. Overall, articulation was pretty good. I didn't see that there was there are many issues. Maybe like some staccatos, especially on the left hand. And this kind of also goes into balance, which I'll get into in a bit. I think could be brought out a little bit more, but overall, like the articulation, especially with the embellishments and all that stuff, was really, really nice. Balance, 4 votes for 4, 1 vote for 5, and yeah, overall the balance is pretty good. I think in the beginning it felt a little bit heavy at times, so maybe take a look at that. Phrasing, there was 2 votes for 3, 1 vote, or 3 votes for 4, and 2 votes for 3. Yeah, I thought the phrasing was pretty good on the most part, like especially some of the lines where it was just kind of like climbing a building. Except towards the end, I think maybe like focusing on the phrasing a little bit there, especially when it kind of goes between octaves and like they're really high intervals, really up high. Maybe like thinking through how you want to phrase that a little bit more, because it just felt like it was kind of there in some ways. Movement, yeah, you got 1 vote for 3, 2 votes for 4, 2 votes for 5, and movement. I wasn't paying too much attention to movement because I had to manage the score, but yeah, from what I could see, the movement was pretty good overall. So, that. All right, so I have those saved, and yeah.